How great is this? Uh, Occasionally there will be like a few flashes. I mean, like that. That was crazy. By the way, I apologize in advance for the language that I use when there's thunderclaps. Fuck. It's loud. Oh, shit. Yeah. I do apologize in advance for the um the language that I use during thunderclap. But yeah, I mean, it's just crazy. You never see anything like this back in Pico Rivera or Whittier or Downey or anywhere in California except for like the deserts. Looks like we got a little hurricane because there's some wind and the shirts are out there. They're just going crazy. I apologize for the lack of lighting, but man, if it was like if there was like more sunlight, like more daylight, then you would be seeing the shirts going crazy and the trees moving. And yeah. I am in a position to stop filming, but I just won't stop. This is crazy. I'm gonna wait till the next flash, but for now, enjoy the range.